Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So to adjust the sound volume, first we need to open the settings, and to do that, press the select button to wake up the screen, and once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration and select it, of course. And here we have the option called volume, or rather not option, but we have this category of volume, and we can turn on or off the media sound. And once you turn it on, you can adjust the volume by tapping on the speaker icons. So adjust the volume to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the select button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.